Hello everyone, this is Weather Indication 2-Second Studio, mainly engaged in RMA, PPP, Ronix original data development. Today, I bring you a PP5711P Platinum Nautilus. It is also a 40-year limited edition model. Currently, this watch is worth millions of yuan in the secondary market, which is very exaggerated. Such a price. If we customize such a watch, we will use real PT950 platinum material to customize it. The density of platinum is higher than that of 18-karat gold. It will be heavier in weight. So let's take a look at this watch with a PT950 platinum case. How much it weighs. As you can see, for this watch, weighs 231.4 grams. This weight is exactly the same as the original weight. Only by using the real PT950 platinum material to customize it, can we achieve such a weight. Like our case, are made based on the original data of the 3C. For this watch, it can well restore some of the original polishing, brushed, polished, and engraved, including its case shape. For this watch, you can see that the accessories on the surface are customized based on the original data. These accessories, the blue of it, this dial belongs to a sky blue. Every Patek Philippe watch, the blue dial color of each one will be different. This dial, developed with original data, can well restore the original color and texture. And its scales and the hour markers are all inlaid with diamonds. Our dials and hour markers are all inlaid by the master by hand. See, it's very straight. See, such a craftsmanship can make people more confident when wearing it. And for this kind of watch, its hands are three-dimensional. From the side, there are no burrs on the pointer. Its calendar is a square calendar. See, it's a square calendar. For example, the regular 5711 steel case Nautilus, its calendar is a circular calendar. Why is a square calendar used? Because the original one is like this calendar. By developing and producing based on the original data, it can well restore these details of the craftsmanship, including the movement. For this watch, its movement is a mold 324 integrated movement. Currently, this movement has a card degree. If you want the appearance to be more similar, you can upgrade it from a card to a non-card, and replace its escapement with an 18-karat gold automatic. If you upgrade it like this, it will be closer to the original. And for this kind of watch, the case is the most important part. In other words, you spend money, customize a precious metal gold watch from our store. It's just spending money to buy precious metals from us. It's just that it becomes a gold watch made of precious metals. Its case is made of genuine PT950 platinum. Platinum is very hard, and its density is very high. It's actually very difficult to make. Making a platinum watch, its production cycle, is longer than that of an 18-karat gold watch. Because its production process is very difficult, we can see the wire drawing situation is very delicate, including the polishing surface treatment. See, the Nautilus bezel is not a pure circle. It has such edges and corners, including the shell case. This kind of wire drawing process, like the thickness of its side, can also be made completely consistent with the cabinet. It's 8.3 mm thick. See, the beak of the Nautilus is a three-dimensional beak. See, the beak is very three-dimensional and sharp, resembling a bird's beak. See, like this link of the watch, the middle bead in the middle of each link is raised. It feels like this. All of them can be completely consistent with the cabinet. It's the same, including the craftsmanship of its buttons. See, carat. The engraving is very clear. Such a craft is the craftsmanship that can be taken out, including the engravings on the bottom cover of these precious metals, such as the PVC engraving here, such as the dog head here, such as the PT950 and the scale. The engravings of these precious metals are all chiseled by hand to distinguish the quality of a gold case. These engraving techniques are very important. This is a simple PP5711P Platinum 40th Anniversary Nautilus, a simple watch sharing. If you like this watch, you can also contact Chanchi. If you like Chanchi's video, you can double-click to like and follow. See you next time.